abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini
Siyalamukela Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events planning and media management. So guys, we always mention ukuthi whatever events that you want to host, Deb3 lakho ukuthi kuphathise, be it a corporate event, be it a church event, family events, personal events, social events, just get in touch with Deb3 Events using other contact details aphuma khona lapho screen sakho. So guys, if you need a stage to hire, you need a sound system, a PA system ikhona at Deb3 Events. If you need a videography, photography for those events, Deb3 lakho futhi ukuthi kuphathise ama special effects, smoke machines, Deb3 ilawo futhi at very affordable prices. So silakho konke under one roof, guys. And also sihlala sibona ama musicians Bulawayo music industry is growing. Kulama upcoming, kulalabo aseba upcome kudala, i-studio sikhona ukuthi lisebenzise, i-rehearsal space layo ikhona ukuthi lisebenzise. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube, and as usual ngihamba lo partner wami, co-host wami, BAA nominee, one of the best comedians khona lapha koBulawayo and in Zimbabwe, uGeneral Leslie Sali smoke machine.
Eka connect.
Sifuna entrance eka Undertaker leyana
Ukuthi ngo wena yachitha ama light.
Uphuma intuthu nje.
Ukuthi ngo ngicela ngenzele next week.
General Leslie Sharp.
Yeah, ngishaba mina ngitiniwe.
Utiniwe, what were you doing?
I think ngita likepesi. Awona ungakitha kakhulu ku Rosh bawuyiskipha lekepesi. Thosa amandla ngaka. Ngita likepesi.
Ingabe video yenza content?
Angisayenza content mfuna yamandi.
So there is this saying that that I like. If you don't post it, it never happened.
Yeah, but let's hope they don't post it. Right. Hello and welcome to Enkundleni exclusive. Mina ngiwu General Leslie, and like we always say, this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic design, cap design, t-shirt printing, whether it's posters, whether it's banners, whatever that you have to need that has to do with branding, marketing, designing, intontoni. Okuhle Designs is there for you. Chato, Thanksgiving conference, angazi izinto elizenzayo zama event. Thina lathi sifukwenza memorial endlini, so sifuke printisa picture enkulu ekakhulu enotorate. Okuhle Designs can do that for you, so they are available and they are there. If you need their contacts, ngwafakile ku screen, so make sure you get in touch with them. Ungahamba ukidela izikipa lamakepesi njengolesi. Because we print this sakho.
Lokude bonke lobo Nkosi yami.
Nyebeze ngaka so. But life is I'm a survival skills. Because I doubt, maybe I'm ngwazi if there's someone talking about first class countries, first world, amarosho ngale akhona sithi uthiwa kule rosho yesinkwa then abantu bawina izinkwa.
I think road shows are there. Road shows are there. But indlela okwenziwa ngayo is dignified. Akukhipha umuntu isithunzi. Ukuthi umuntu noma ephiwe isinkwa uyas-appreciate, not because akas-afford, but because it was done in a good gesture. In a good gesture leyana ukuthi umuntu uyabe kuphile ngendlela leyana ukuthi la uyakusuza ukuthi hayi umuntu ungiphile.
Uyakubona nxa sebejika so MC so izinkwa so.
Yeah, akula sithunzi okuyinto kangikhona. But in other countries, there is this country that I visited. I won't mention it, okay? I got a very, very expensive bottle of some face cream.
Oh, okay.
Very expensive. But the way ngatreatwa ngayo, it was as if I bought it.
Yeah. Uyaqalisa
Shop yangikhona, it was so like
Uyaqalisa
nice.
ukupicture
And
service
I was
yakhona
given a
ke,
chair, ngahlala i-couch. You know, ngaphiwa i-tablet, so kuthiwa sicela usiphendulele. I think there were 5 questions. And then, you know, a very nice iPad. Lami engakaze ngiyibambe. You get it. You feel underdressed for the shop. It was kwakulesithunzi okuyinto kwankona.
That's what I'm saying ukuthi uyaqalisa ukuthi even ungathengi khona but because of his service uyaqalisa ukuthi mina mfuka lapha.
Anjengona ukuthi it's been years but I'm still talking about
Yeah.
it. Yes.
Manje lapha wesilama voice over artist these days everyone's a voice over artist. Uyakuphote town so ekasi kule mota le the famous mota yamabhanzi sifikile imota yamabhanzi thola 44 ama plane by thola 46 ama rock by thola 44
You know what, Leslie? Angikwazi ukuthi mbani watshela abantu wathi i-vibe ukuba disrespectful. Because ungakwenza uhlonipha kathi awula vibe.
vele kathiwa ula vibe uyaxoxa umsebenzi mina ngaye ngazama
Kumele udelele so ukuthi awule vibe. Thatha isinkwa so
usijike so uthi ngithi honestly my first roadshow mina ngangayenzi vema roadshow ngansenza ama cooperative events because of church utantu uyabutshela MC church so even when you move out of church to professional MC utshayele vele ama cooperative events uthi uxoxa kuhle labantu
Yes.
kulomuntu ongaphakamisa isandla in the midst of your conversation then so melume uze ukuthi uthina and ku roadshow uphakamisa isandla sani uma uphakamisa isandla umelela ukuqaga isinkwa lapha kumbe ikepezi and the moment uzama ukutreat umuntu omdala njengomuntu omdala ku roadshow next gig awulitholi kumele ukuthi vine emdala sokumele agide and aqeda adliwe so umfana omncane umehlisa esitejini engathwalanga lutho
athwale nzima igogo yenkosi, athwale nzima.
ubantu ugogo yazifuna isimba agcina sethi khiphaleza ngisigwalisi ngezamatuke ovela baso brothers DJ Fama so
But
brothers
you know what? Yakazuthi ngutshele Leslie, sasingahleka but khona umuntu okakhona akuhlekisi ngutshele. And you find ukuthi i-culture lay is there even in serious instances, serious cases.
Yeah.
For example, esibhedlela.
yeah
Because kule case lay eka gogo o ifamily itshelwe yathukwa thiwa ugogo kasekho. Ezini ukuthi usefile. Then they go to the hospital. Sebehambile ba lokhuza le nyaratho. Then nxa befika esibhedlela bathola ugogo yaphila. The disrespect that they were subjected to by the nurses.
yeah
Vele inhlonipho ayikho la kuma situations are serious like that. Ukuthi vele akusahlonishwa. Kulesikhathi engake ngahamba esikolweni siyabhadalela umntwana ifees. Isiphatho bra.
yeah
Isiphatho ositholayo so kuma school administrators as a parent usizobhadalela umntwana ifees. It's like abafuni indlela abakuphatha ngayo ngani bathi uvela ubhadalelani. But nxa ungabhadalelanga umntwana uyaxotshwa futhi yabo. So I think inhlonipho vele ayikho vele. Especially abantu laba abasemsebenzini abazibona ngani they are in a position of power. Ukuthi wena as a client ungani you are at their mercy.
yeah mana ngiqale ngunike mina scenario yenzakala kimi I just remembered ngangilo Thando Dramatic Miss so mawuvela empilo and shuyilanga lela like sasisididekile because kwakulento like a serious yenzakile so I don't think ingqondo like ziya so simatasatasa then sifike empilo alright umuntu lwana se admitiwa sokushapa and so we're driving back home main driver so mfuke yabamba indlela le ema Chipsen because besifuthi umuntu eCountry Park ema Chipsen kulamapolisa ngoba kulamapolisa emzilikazi mawuvela empilo bakhona bakithi bathayimela istop sign elokitshini so anti kule stop sign then kulomgwaqo ophuma usiya is it BF oyaphezulu leyana
Okay.
awulazimoto vele umgwaqo wakhona so what you do is nxa mfika mina lapha I slow down ngikhangele ngapha ngikhangele nga ayimanga imoto iyarola mbijana kumoshini and ngiqeda ngichibilike ngithi nxa ngichibilike abammise ngime sibotshiwe ngimeleni awumanga ku stop sign bemele ume alright ngumthetho sharp bemele ngime nsi lina licachile bacachile like babe belunguze ngithi oh babe belunguze ngijura wall so because anti kusekoneni so bangama ngapha emgwaqweni
Yeah,
ababona okwenzakala stop sign
Oh, okay.
and bangama straight emgwaqweni liyababona so bona bafuna uwone bakubambe they are not
They are
preventing
not there to
crime.
prevent crime.
No, they want you to umbulale sikubophe umrephe sikubophe bona bafunayo ukubopha so umama lona ucachile so ngijura wall so nguyothipha laba basemgwaqweni uthi haphinda na umira sempindile semfela phasi ensima sensehla kuhle sicela license oil license lapha nongena stop sign so and alright anila mali karesa lingeke nilimbhale incwadi uthi ngizabe ngizobhadala la kwenza imoto sinjani sibotshiwe aswi asambe traffic west nganilayo imali hayi nganilayo imali ekwana ubhadala sikambe traffic west nxa sifike traffic west sifike sipake lapha nandi ngibe sengena anti uphekezelwa umpholisa so nxa sifika lapha umpholisa lo ensukelaye kusini ubechinga sithi hey karesi yashota la somele ngihambe lani traffic west uyachinga ukuchinga wakhe ukuthi ufubuyela ngale masinya nxa sisifikile traffic west kulamanye amapholisa ahlezwe yena ngoyosefu ubhala futhi into zemoto no wena ujahile wena buyela ngale emsebenzini laba basale bebhala oyehlezi phansi abesithi afutheke wetawura mushe nempo ngathi ngathi ngizabhadala ayisentethisiwe phela lapha awukwazi ukuthi sibe sixoxa njani lo muntu lo andi so kumele mina ngithuke ngoba wena ulipholisa mina ngidlule ku stop sign ngingamanga and so okuyinto kwakhona akusela ukuhloniphana esikolo futhi kule reference le ethandwa ngama teacher and oyiwani senza mchaya ukuthi my young parents my young parents vele yadelela my young parents vele kari kumele umuntu ezale esele how many years kumele siqasa ubuya labantwana bonke grade 1 sesile 45 because mina nxa uthiwa young parent mina anti so I'm picturing ukuthi alright kumele ngihambise uwandi esikolo sengingakanani sembuya ngodondolo so andilethe umntana wami because if you're saying young parent to a 33-year-old what are you saying? So ukudelela especially endaweni esideserve khona ukuhlonishwa sokukuningi kakhulu and sakuyekela ungakhangela even kuma roadblock indlela esithethiswa ngayo and kungana awula license and sometimes kwabe kungabadala so afutheke mirapho man amadoda akukhulunywa njalo nxa nilecala nje ntshelani icala lami limbophe kuhle and coming back to indaba yesibhedlela le I think
I'm actually trying to open the
I think sesingaxoxa sixoxa andi but okunye it goes back ukuthini andivela kula msebenzi so umuntu vele yabengela vele calling kumbe isiphiwo sokuba ngunesi ngumuntu vele ukuthi ivinodoli wayedabula uthola udolo wakhe uthola udolo wakhe ngela ngalo udolo wakhe ngasela nyawo kube suthiwa nguye umuntu
okay.
This
is the article. Mpilo, it's by B Metro. Mpilo in shock mix-up. Grieving family walks into ward for a body and finds the patient alive. So, Lapa, let me just scroll. The family told B Metro that they suffered a double tragedy as their relative eventually died on the same day, and they struggled to process the mind-boggling issue. So now these guys, they went to the hospital after being told that their loved relative had died, only to find the relative alive and well.
Yibo futhi labana abakutshintshanisa abantwana bona laba.
So ugogo Aida Mushonga Hande,
Yeah.
aged 71, was admitted to the hospital mhlaka 1 December. And then mhlaka 2 December, ifamily yafonelwa kwathiwa ugogo kasekho. Then bathe befika esibhedlela. Actually, bathi they called Inyarazo Funeral Services bayenza claim. And it was promptly processed. Now bathe befika esibhedlela besiyathatha umzimba bathola ugogo eziphilile. Ekhanya eqinile futhi. And Now, ama nurses now, when they were talking about this issue, the nurses were very rude.
Yeah, I was reading my response amanesi. Ngicombalele angu-2. kumbe yona.
So kuthiwa a nurse name withheld. Actually, they needed. They explained to the hospital that they needed institution to explain the mistake so that they will not get in trouble for making a false claim. Ngibala kunjengobani? Then a nurse name withheld said, "Lani liphangisile ukuclaima belijaheni."
Khadi lifuna kuyenzani imali ligijima alikamboni.
But you know,
Alikalethi lengubo yokuthi
guys, kuthiwa le mfeni kuyahlekwa, siyahleka but into leyahlekisa.
yeah.
Lani liphangisile ukuclaima belijaheni.
Awuziba sure. Ngunesi lo. Like indawo ilecala like indawo lephela iphambanisile and
Ngicela ukuqedisa just so Dube said that the tempers they fled, ama tempers akhwela, and the family told the nurses that they will sue the hospital and said, and the same nurse made a threat. Manje nxa lisenza so sizagcina sesi. She did not finish her sentence as she was interrupted by someone else. Now the family took it to be a threat and approached some senior matrons. And then scroll and scroll. The nurses were protecting each other. They did not want to tell us anything. So bathi bese belokhu bethunywa izinto ezifunakala esibhedlela because amanesi abenganafuna ukubaxotsha.
ambalethe amaphilisi.
Then the next thing, within a few minutes or hours, the grandmother passed away. For real now.
Yeah.
Mina ngicela ukwenza alleged.
Yeah.
Can I make an alleged?
Mbalekele ukwenze alleged. Ngcono yenziwe nguwe. Mina phela nomnyama wokuthethiswa.
Allegedly, guys. Nxa ugogo akade esezaphumula. Why emelele ukuthi laba bathunywe ngamanesi after that threat?
Yeah, because the threat now.
Bathunywe bonke bathunywe bachiye ugogo yedwa abesesala esifa.
And inkinga now sokuyi-threat because
Manje lingayenza njalo sizagcina
sesilichaya, sesimbulala.
wakhuzwa. And then because they were protecting each other, uMrs. Damalethe ngama kuthiwa bathunywe 1-1. Bekusithi kungaphuma omunye kuthiwe sokufunakala lokho, kuphuma omunye sokufunakala lokho, kuphuma omunye. Ngoba ngaba bathethe ilist yonke babanika bekuyaphuma oyi-1 abanye basala. So bathunywe 1-1 bephuma. Ugogo wasala yedwa.
So ngesikhathi according to laba ngesikhathi etshona ugogo bekungela sihlobo
Bese
bekusela
bephumile
amanesi.
bonke.
Thixo.
So yikho phela ngithi khona allegedly. Why? After a threat,
No,
ugogo sele wachona.
khona kuyinto kwakhona
Right.
kuyathusa.
Nansi indaba lapha. Kuthe the matrons were professional and helpful. Lapha bese besukile kumanesi bakuma matrons, eh? We went back to the ward where we were told to pay for an INR scan at Lancet House. The nurses seemed to be giving us attitude. They started demanding things one by one to apparently send us out of the ward. We were about to go to Lancet House when we passed through the matron's office. As we passed by the ward, we were told suddenly that Granny had died again.
Okay, lapha kare sesifafi.
Again, yes. So, yikho phela sesithi allegedly ugogo besemele ukuthi abantu bathunywe.
So now the first question is nxa lifona kimi lisithi i-patient yami esesibhedlela itshonile. Labe limconfuse lo munye yini? Akula ma records yini akula bhuku dala ngagcina isibhedlela ngibonga umusa kaNkulunkulu.
Velele omunye wabona ngani kasekho.
Yeah, like a process of verification sicela isincedise abakuma health service ukuthi ukudeclare sokwenzweni ukuthi umuntu sephumulile kule process yini, or mina just as unesi okhona nje ngiyakwanisa yena ukufona ngithi ugogo kasekho, kumbe kulabantu i-hierarchy
No,
yakhona injani?
the nurses from the article, the nurses in that ward, bebengafuni ukuthatha responsibility because they were protecting each other and they were not giving family enough information, because obviously family bisibuza ukuthi okay khathi lapha kuhambe njani, ngubani osifonelileyo.
That's what I'm asking, phela, ukuthi-
Obviously you have a lot of questions and you're asking those questions, and guess what, you're not being given the answer. Babe lokhu beprotectana, uzibani kakho, uzibani kutheni, and i-frustration yabo ilokhu ikhuli.
Yeah, mina umbuzo wami ukuthi anti esibhedlela andi kulamanesi kulaba cleanayo, angazi amabizo akhona ngingathuki imuntu, and then kukhwela kusiya kibo sister in charge abodokotela, and kuripotwa mbani o-approvayo sibili ukuthi umuntu lo sephelile. So mina just as unesi esibhedlela ngiyakwanisa yena ukuthi sephelile hle mfone.
No,
So
doubt.
nxa kuyikuthi ukhona omkhulu o-approvayo and yena u-approve ezihlalele yini ehofisini, kumbe uhambile wa-check-a sibili wathi sephelile, and uphele wavuka yini, nxa ephele wavuka uvukele nga.
Hayi, but vele
Uyabona ukuthi into yakhona uyisusa from kibo nurse isiya phezulu kulokubola esingafuni ukukhuluma ngakho.
laba bese besiya collect umzimba.
Ehe.
And mina from what I know kule mortuary lapha awucollecte wadinani, so kuthi bahambe emochari bafika kwathiwa umuntu lo kakho la,
Ngakho maybe.
base bebuyele wadini sebesiya check bafithi
So-
ugogo ezihlalele nathi ti.
So asithi liphutha lokuthi maybe bekulomunye ugogo on the same ward, and ugogo lwana wasetshona base maybe umconfuse la lo, and it will also go back to i-record keeping ukuthi imphethe esibhedlela lendawo lapha kuyabe kuyenge khona ifile lakho, and so lize lifonele thina indaba. So phela ongawuthi baningi abantu alright abalahlekayo esibhedlela ukuthi sibila lahleke sibila disappear sibila.
ubone kwesikhathi ukuthi abantu uzothiwa imzimba utshintshana imzimba what besiya collecta i-relative yabo.
Then isizathu kuyini, because siyabona phela onesi begraduate every year kuyagraduate more than 5,000 amanesi, so alisoze lisitshele ukuthi si-understaffed.
I think okay, looking at it, and let's say we're accepting ukuthi it was a mistake. Siyenzakala mistake. Imuli leyi eyenzelwe imistake liphathelani rough.
Right, number
Isikhathi
one.
sokuthi liduduze licomfort, hayi ugogo yaphila.
Lixolise.
Siyaxolisa. The next step umxhasenini ugogo, something like that.
Because abantu laba even ngabogogo uphilile, and abantu laba vele
Ujaheni.
bese bedinga i-counseling, because abantu laba imagine balele bekhala all night bafonela izihlobo ezikomtoko,
izihlobo
Eh,
ugogo
and kulezi izihlobo esihlezi zingene ebhasini.
Sesiye Lancet kuthiwa bese sizitshela ukuthi hayi ugogo kanjani akafanga uyaphila. Only to be told futhi ukuthi ugogo sefile for real.
Selifonele izihlobo lathi hayi ungasasukumi malume.
Hayi ube kuphambanisekile.
Selifona futhi madoda, do you know
Hayi
ukuthi
kasekho okwamaqini kathesi.
asilandaba le mental health yabantu sikholisa ukugqoka i-uniform etshengisa i-tight emhlophe. Akukho right lokho, akukho right. And i-treatment yakhona siyakhuluma ngakho nje sikuthi even i-labor abantu abahambe elabor babe nesi bacha so ngani into right, so abakuchawo nesi hawu nesi bekuchawo pari madoda ngizubuhlungu phela lapha, and ngidinga usizo la, ungakhange mina ukuthi mbenxeve mfuna i-soft life esesibhedlela ezisharp, so le phezulu, and lo mkakho uyangena
lamaphilo, thini,
umkakho
thini.
uyangena la yabe lokho ekubamba isandla, so lapha uyaqotshwa la, hamba phandle baba, hamba phandle, bemelela corridor le. Kungabuya abantu abangu-4 besizozama ukuyamukela umuntu selibaningi.
AUPH years after COVID kwakulokhu kuthiwa one visit. Years after COVID iphele nini? I don't know if they're still doing it.
2021.
But this year, 2025, uqalisa umnyaka lo lapho mina engagcina khona ekuqaliseni ngomnyaka. Even mid-year, kwakulokho kuthiwa one visitor per patient.
Atota 1.
Because thina one visitor per patient sayigcina iyenzelwe
COVID phela.
yes.
Lokho akuright.
And now you wonder I reason why.
Madoda 1 umuntu lesihlobo ezinengi so sokumele at least
Imagine-
nxa kungubaba olabantwana abangu5 so 1 week ukuthi bonke bambone.
Yes, imagine if you right, even nxa let's say as a parent kungumntanakho lingama parents lo.
Sokumele mina ngingene.
Yeah.
Ngoba sesebenza
Abantwana
wonke.
bengu5 njengakhona kokuchoyo.
Eh.
Uthi utsomele bajudisana ukuthi namhlambano uhambayo, which means umntana wakho ubona once in a week.
Ngapho yikho odinga khona isupport yomdeni.
Yes.
And umdeni kawuvunyelwa ukuthi ukusupport
And
ngesikhathi
whoever
lokho
is
ayisikho
responsible
lo.
for that one visitor per patient UPH, uNkulunkulu abe lawo.
Hayi lokho ayisikho because nxa ugula phela ndi to a certain extent you've lost hope. You need people that are sometimes mfuna ukubuya mina maybe kugula umama. Mfuna ubuya lo mfundisi.
Ama visitors acela ukudla.
Mfuna ubuya lo mfundisi azokhuleka.
At least ngabe banika abantu isizathu esiqinileyo because you can't give people COVID reason khathesi.
Hayi
You can't give people COVID reason khathesi which is because of COVID. It doesn't make sense.
Hayi akuvumi. No, angazi ukuthi kuphela into esingalungisi. Ukuthi these days wonke umuntu umkhulu. So unesi la umkhulu kuhamba because awukwazi ukuthi uyabedlala lobani ophezulu abemkhiphela isiqhoko. So uyabekwazi la uthi uThembeni, hayi ngisoze ngixoxe mina. Anti uDr Bani iboyfriend yami. So wonke umuntu umkhulu these days ukuthi ukudelela kwakhona akusela lokhana ukuthi kuthiwa ngiyesaba ukuthi ngingalahlekelwa ngumsebenzi. Even eshop sibili and uyathi so uthitho kubi so ubusubuza ukuthi supervisor okhona mbani umbo manager uzothanda ngena lapha nangu uzothinga lo ufuna manager uzothinga lo
Mina in terms of ama private entities, I blame the owners. I always say that. I blame the owners. Because if uqhatsha umuntu engene ecompany umtshela ukuthi icustom
induction
abekwazi ukuqhakatheka kwecustom kasoza phathi customer ngendlela yena leyo. So lokhiyana mina poor customer service, I don't blame the workers.
phezulu
Ngiblema abanikazi becompany imanagement administration yakhona
exactly.
yibo ababolileyo.
And I totally agree.
Ngoba uyazi ukuthi kulezinye indawo ezokuthi ungahamba kuma hardware shops anjengabo Masters,
Halsteads.
Customer service vele core values la
And uyameka sure ukuthi awumreport
hamba
umuntu
electro
lo
sales. Anti hamba even ama company amancane labo Fab Junction. I-service yangikhona uyabona ukuthi hayi abantu laba bafundisiwe ukuthi yimi engilethe imali.
Plus vale tight marking like kulo supervisor duze khona who's ready to say
ule complaint even uyi-customer lena ehlanyayo they know how to handle you. Ukuthi hayi ndoda into oyikhulumayo leyayenzi with respect.
Yes,
And lawo la nxa ufuna ukuhlanya ugcina usuzibuza wethu usuzibona ukuthi hayi lapha ngirong.
So uyananzelela into ebengitsho ukuthi even ubumbulo lobo kade businzwa nguNesilwane ebekwazi ukuthi ume phezulu kwento elimazayo. Like akalandaba so akayesaba ukuthi kusasa sengavuka ngingasebenzi because this is a very big issue enzakeleyo. Ayisiko ukuthi kuthiwa bekumele unathise umuntu iGrand Power agcina umnathisi iAspirin. Le yinto yokuthi ifamily karesi ukhona omunye secela leave emsebenzini, omunye useflyer, omunye uphakathi kwamalayitha then esebhoda kube sokuthiwa hayi sokutshintshile, esebuyela futhi esesembobeni amajuba sokuthiwa sokutshintshile futhi
phenduka.
And then akakuboni njalo vele uyakwazi ukuthi ngitshayisa la nyamba ngizibonela ubhebho wami ophezulu so angixotheki. Angixotheki le manje iyecina senza ukuthi thina njengabahlali sicine sivale sicese kubetha. Because akusela phela enindawo engathola khona usizo and ngilahlekelwe sifelwe and then asafelwanga then some ukuthi sikulungisise sesile problem inyarazo kwethu senze false claim what and so sidinga ama answers sicela impela list yethu kuphambaniseke nga
Lani
sifone
liphakisile report.
lifone ngaleyo liphangisile ukuclaim all right slip
Kuthiwa belitshayeni. Anyway,
mawala
move on.
ayi sure sure
Asondaba emnandi le. Siyahleka but asondaba
Ah,
emnandi.
but fine, you know.
It's not a nice story to talk about. But anyway, moving on. Guys, since good December, the festive season, and we have big events akhona lapha koBulawayo. Esiwabona emakhethwa
mbichana
Mbijana esiwabona because and if you're following Enkundleni Exclusive, if you've been following Enkundleni Exclusive since kudala vele, uzananzela ukuthi towards the end of the program we normally talk about the upcoming events, and we've been mentioning these events kuma past weeks esikhuluma ukuthi hayi ngoDecember ziyabuya kulama events anje, but it seems like we're pushing these events more than the owners.
yeah so ngathi silamawala or something
Because I'm not seeing as aggressive marketing.
yeah
The only event ekhanya idinga imali is shutdown.
I-shutdown has never disappointed. Shout out to marketing shutdown. Those guys are always on point. Like they are balolaga and yabona lokho esikubona gares and ikhona lonke la koBulawayo you'll see something shut down and from amabanners elokishini Mpophoma Mzilikazi amabhana ama-post you'll see them everywhere even in town and abakaqalisi ubathayimele maybe a week before shutdown and sebeqalisa ukushama roadshow so labantu ababe baningi so lama-flyer.
The funny part is even if they get sold out, they still
vele abayikeli vele
kunjalo
because
sokuthengwa
i-shutdown
ama-ticket
gares
aphela.
ilebizo lokuthi even bengenzanga lokho abakwenzayo kuyagcwala but bona abafuni kurelya on ukuthi kuthiwa hayi kuzagcwala athi vele shutdown hayi shutdown says
brands that don't advertise vele, even no matter how big they are, they will just die.
yeah
So there was a time amaBulawayo Arts Awards sasikwazi ukuthi every corner you see a bin
yes
with a
ama-face
PA poster.
ama-nominees igcwele
Yes.
amabhim sasifuna ukunominathwa thina sifufakwe bhim
You would see that, but asikuboni khona lo, and angazi kumbe is it funds, inadequate funds, I don't know, because you might find ukuthi sesingakhuluma sithi akumarketwa enough, but also another thing is marketing layo it costs money.
yeah true
Marketing ayiso yamahara. So ekumarketing khona phana kumele umuntu akhiphe imali engakwaziyo ukuthi ama-funds awakho kumbe yi-risk that the organizers don't want to take ngokufaka ama-funds ku-marketing lapha, because we might say imali ayikho, that's one story. We might say imali ekhona, no one wants to take a risk yokuthi ayi-market.
yeah
Uyanthola kahle. And also I think if it was the issue of funds, I think there are many ways ezokumarketa ama-PAs. Plus abanye abantu embasola yiyo ama-nominees. Ma-nominees ngiyawasola. Thina ngensuku zethu sisanominethwa. Sasisithi singanominethwa siba ngumsindo
No.
ngama-awards.
The
Kuthi
difference now
I am
is-
mina njengami nganze itshintshe le username
yeah
PA nominee.
no i-difference ekhona anti lami career ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe nganominator maybe 3 years back wawusiba proud kakhulu stere ukuthi nominate and because everywhere in town it was just PA and lawe so nxa uhamba so sithi uyabona nje nominate
The nominees were also making it bigger.
Ye-
because of the
yes,
noise,
and
yes.
there was noise already, and so bona it was easy to pick it up from there. Karez, the only thing that you see kuma WhatsApp ukuthi vote for me ku
People's choice.
ku People's Choice labo Leslie. Vote for me. Leslie abangaka abantu abakwazi Leslie but Leslie nawe yapost and my group against abangani bakho no but for me people that's the only thing that's there and so yes I can be a nominee and but ngiswele exactly ukuthi ngiphusheni besides ukuphomba ukupost ukuthi but at least ngabe futhi kuyafuqelwa into zokuposta zakhona like you were saying ukuthi ngesikhathi senu and there was a lot of material
Tina would get your
yes
flyer with
yes
you and
yes
yeah,
there was a lot of material ukuthi wena you were more like forwarding what is already
because there were
there
flyers with the categories.
yes
Ukuthi
yes
nginje so kube le flyer elilama literary Ndebele literary
le
awards.
face yakho laphana
Do they put names?
I-
They used to put yeah.
uh-huh.
But you would get something to post.
yes
Yeah.
yes you have something to push and angazi maybe nxa kufiki kimi ngoba ngihlala ngela data but anda ngingakuboni mina so ngingawuboni njalo Charis ngiyabe ngizibuza ukuthi alright nxa ngingathi mina besides ukufaka ipicture yokuthi kulama BAA mhla ka20 kuyini okunye engakufaka every day for excitement because people get tired of one picture vele kumele ukutshintsha tshintshe so ukuthi umuntu azagcine ebuza ukuthi kari kuyini
Yeah,
vele
because-
khona
because,
kanti
let me open the Twitter page of my BAs.
so kuyafunakala ukuthi ama nominee aphiwe imaterial because mina ngisoze ngisho every time for ekuseni ngithi ngicela libuye kuma award nginominative ngicela libuye sure ngiyacela nominative bakithi ngicela libuye what if it's a private event
Ama BAAs. Right. Is this the original Twitter account?
you know
No way.
why
Can you check? Is this the original Twitter account? Yeah, my BAs.
I don't tweet Peraman but there's
How many followers are there?
5,699 11.7k
Looks like the original.
uh,
And is Royal still the sponsor?
no because this year akuzange kuthiwe
They
Royal
didn't
BAA.
update that. Look at the picture liyani eku-wall.
Oh, look at go proud sponsor.
Royal is still the proud sponsor, yes. And look at the last tweet. When was the last tweet?
Last tweet was it 9 August?
No,
No.
should be October.
Okay.
When okay.
The fact that I'm struck. Okay, 31 October.
That was the last tweet
Yeah.
for the awards that are next week.
And the picture lay you sonke slayo leyan. So
Sure.
tell me if I can be posting this every day.
That is bad.
So
That is
ngengazi,
bad.
I'm really on Twitter.
So there's a page here. I'm just hoping this is the original page.
Yeah, and if
Because
it
also
is
looking
not,
at the
we are
followers,
reporting it.
11.7k. And I think it's the original one because it's the one that I'm following and is following me. At Bulawayo Arts Awards. And the pinned tweet is 31 October. It is Selibonanya. Oh well, we're back. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been cooking. The wait is almost over. The nominees reveal drops this evening, 6 p.m. That is the pinned tweet. 31 October. The latest tweet, which is not pinned, watch the Bulawayo Arts Awards 2025 nominees reveal. So the Twitter page, the X page, Yama Bulawayo Arts Awards, it didn't announce a date, Yama Awards, a venue, Yama Awards.
I'm a nominees.
No, it didn't announce it put a link, yeah, nominees reveal. Usually, each it post a category by category after this link.
Yeah.
Category by category, it post keeping everyone informed.
Yeah.
Each kate date, you just open a Twitter handle, yeah, BAAs, and you would find a date. You
And
find if
mina futhi again, I think besides kuyathatha i-award and ukuthi thwase ngwini i-award, I think ukuba yi-nominee kumele kunike certain exposure. Mephe ngxenye ngicabanga wrong. Ukuthi kumele ukuthi ngabe somewhere lami sengingapostwa ka3
And
as a
if I'm not-
nominee and
if
even
I'm not-
kungafakwa in picture but at least ibizwa abantu bayilokho bebuza mbani
if
uJulia
I'm
list.
if I'm not mistaken, there was a time, unless nxa sengixa, iBulawayo Arts Awards even did some sort of like a workshop or meeting, not the dinner, nominees.
Yeah. Was it the first or
When
something?
nominees could
Yes.
meet, kube lani lani, those kind of things. They would-
I remember
they would
Sibili
happen.
ukhuluma iqiniso
So anje wona ukuthi vele umdladla awukho because there was no, if umdladla ngabe ukhona, there was no way this post about the nominees reveal would get 5 likes and two reposts. You see, so this is the marketing that doesn't need funds. Ukuthi singathi kuthiwa kula funds.
Yeah.
So sesikhipha indaba yama funds ukuthi sithi hayi ama billboards afuna imali, ama bins afuna imali. X, how much does X need?
That.
Twitter, how much does Twitter need? When if you can't afford to buy data to advertise your initiative, is it worth it? If an institution like Bulawayo Arts Awards cannot afford data, Is it-
Ayafoteki yini kumba kula muntu omela
let's say affordability issue. If they can't afford to data on the internet, is it worth it yini?
yalapho manje onzima.
If management khona lapho engekho ongathi I will use my data,
For
omunye
X.
athi I will design the content, omunye design content, omunye athi I will use my data, all right. If none of the people can do that, is it worth it?
Akuzima.
Yabo.
Akuzima.
So maybe ukhona ongathi unomuntu uzohlutshwa yini engasonomini, but guys,
No,
mina
mina
the fact yokuthi this is a
Company
Bulawayo-
futhi no
this is a
nominative.
Bulawayo Arts Awards project that I've been part of before and that I'm still part of today, indirectly part of. It touches me.
Yakubuhlungu.
Uthi,
Genuinely
why
kubuhlungu.
are we letting this thing ebesiziqhenya ngayo, why are we letting it down like that?
Yeah.
Because this is something that we were very proud of. Some of us, abanengi, not me only, a lot of us were very proud of the Bulawayo Arts Awards. And ukukhuluma kwami lokho is not because ngithanda ukukhuluma controversy, but it's because I'm not happy about what is happening. And it's because I am hoping ukuthi since sengikhulumile asazi mbe bayabukeli enkundleni exclusive. Since sengikhulumile maybe okungumbono khonoke ngikhulumile.
Oku 2 cents.
Kuza
Because
baza-
there's still
seriously. And
time.
Coming out of this podcast, I think I'm going to engage with this page to ask ukuthi, how can your last post be on the 31st of October for an event that is 2 weeks? I'm going to, in case they don't watch Enkundleni exclusive, I am going to take it upon myself to say, no, you guys, you are disappointing the nominees and you're disappointing us. You're disappointing the general people. Abazazithengela nje ama-ticket
Ama-tickets
before.
befuze
You're
ukholisa.
disappointing every stakeholder.
Yeah.
And you are not really giving your own initiative that punch, but you expect the corporate sector to come in and say, into we want to be part of it. When I'm niggas went, you're not pushing it.
Yeah. It's pain.
Yabo.
It's
So I'm
pain.
just hoping you guys are going to take it. Angeke sidlulwe ngunoluntu, guys. Noluntu post every day about filling up of his sitting room.
Fill
She
up
posts
Bulawayo
every
sitting
day. So how can PAS be dlulwa ati ngunoluntu? Yabona. So unoluntu, guys, we talked about noluntu last
Week, yeah.
and uthethe ama lemons wayenza lemonade.
Uthethe uxaxaku
Wenza
nerd.
So she made lemonade after of the lemons esakhuluma ngawo last week. And she's pushing fill up sitting room.
Fill up sitting room.
Yeah, she's pushing it and abanye abanjengathi we are going to support. Mina
Siyafuna ama-tickets.
I vele nhle ngathi I'm buying the tickets and I'm going there because I think she's doing well. ngoba sometimes izinto ezinje ama-conflicts lani ziyayenzakala ungawa vuka uzithindithe ungawa ulale phansi athi nasiyakunyathela sidlule
And,
bese yakweqa sidlule but nxa uvuka uzithintitha uhamba labanye I think that's a good thing.
And kulento well yukuthi nje kubuye after ukuxatshana right? Which we are not going to go back to that. But I think this thing of sake ngake ngafanisela ngayo futhi ukuthi if we start attacking small venues and engaging with 30, 50, 20 and babe ngabamsibili ngibekwazi ukuthi ngilama fans ama ngo-50 uthi ngawale show babuya ngi-improve ngiye ku-70 ngi-improve ngiye ku-300 asisoze sibe lama-disappointment.
Yes.
But singathi my first gig ngifuna ukuyayenzela e-Amphi sizahlala sikhala kuthiwa sigcwalise
There is no way
amaveni.
you can start.
So singaqalisa thina ukubuyela sibili and really facing reality ukuthi mina njengo-Leslie ama-fans ama ngu-30 sendinga i-sitting room ekwana abantu abangu-30 ngibenzela i-stand-up comedy. The video is going to be beautiful. My show is going to be sold out.
Yes.
And yonke into eyabe inhle, the budget is going to be less because eTap 3 will only give me 2 speakers. Akhala kuhle le mixer, a good mic, le plexoplam and a sitting room, and then we have fun and I do my comedy ngingekho under pressure. And it's an intimate space. I'm engaging with my audience. And so, Gim, I think it should be a challenge to every artist to maybe you can have a hit, maybe you can be the funniest, maybe you can be the best poet, but maybe awukabi layo a live audience efika 300 nge-hit olayo. And why don't you start small? Ubusisithi sengikhulile from this venue so that andonto kuyabuyela futhi kuthini ugcina uzi-exhausta in terms of funds. For example, i-Philip Sitting Room ayidingi ma-poster etown. Angavele phela sitshela i-date lokuthi ama-tickets ase-sold out khare sikhuluma so ngoba sonke siwamelela. And then maybe you're doing a 50-seat show and maybe it's a big sitting room ama-suburb lawana and ukuthi sakwana singu-50 usitshayele singu-50 sold out. And then the next one you find a bigger space maybe kwana 70 mina mbuye lo mngane wamlalwana and sibuye singu-70 so le sold out wena financially uyapusha engagement wise uyapusha because beku-intimate ngakhangela even ama-gospel artist e-South aboxola imncango what all right, they find a library le artist elikhulu ehlabela kuJoyous and what all right, but redinga i-library so abiza abantu so and aqalisa ukubahlabelela so abahlabelele so guaranteed labana abongu-50 next time babuya le-2 abantu so 150 so siya in a bigger space. So I think kubuye ngendlela embi but ngabe every artist yakobulayo iyakuthatha. So mina I'm actually thinking my next comedy show I'm finding a smaller venue where I can decorate, make it nice. Lama I'm doing my Philip Sitting Room for comedy. I think
There's no
truth.
There's no harm in copying something.
Yes,
nice.
truth. Truth.
Copy to
I'm
share.
doing my Philip Sitting Room, so I'm still thinking about it. I put live music, then I do my comedy, my culture vele ukuthi there is live music, there is comedy. Kungangcono ukuthi uLeslie ulama shows angu 3 are sold out. Kubuye 30.
That's a good one. That's a good one. So, okay, you know what? I think that's a good one. Sifunguvale.
Yeah,
So, can you please tell us about, since this was Kulumangi filling up sitting room, can you tell us about the upcoming events?
Upcoming events, the big one, ladies and gentlemen, Tap 3 events, Enkundleni exclusive, sebezilinika ama-upcoming events. Right, so maybe nxa uyakumbuza ukuthi ka-Leslie why amanye ama-events lingawakhuluma and mina bakithi ngisoze mvuke ekuseni ngiyekele ukuyedingela ukwandi ukudla ngiqalisa ukubhoda ngithi jewe le event next week. It's an easy thing when you're given a platform where we talk about your events and people start knowing about your events. Mfakele i-message or ufakele i-Tap 3 events message or ufakele uNoyi message
ukuthumela i-flyer.
uphomba ukuthumela i-flyer umbi-post or lifake lami lapho endlula khona in terms of ma-socials and because I'm not a prophet, not even close and not planning to be one. So ungafuna ukuzigcinela wena i-event yakho ucawa ukuthi mina ngizabuya ngizokubuza ansource uxolo konami. So upcoming events, we've got the fill up sitting room ekanoluntu asikabi lama-dates asikabi lesikhathi but yena use-announcile ukuthi it's coming very soon. Tickets are going for $5 $5 and $10 besabuza ukuthi ngithi 5 kumbe ngithi 10 mina ngithi mna wami whether 10 whether 5 siyabuya and but ungathi 20 ngiyelahla 5-10 suyibalayo hayi ma i-20 saqasa uyishaya ngangale manje lasiqa sivuka athi lami ngizayishaya i-Philip Sitting Room and ngizakhuluma ukuthi mina ngikophe kunoluntu but very soon I'm filling up my own sitting room as well eyami khona abantu abangu-5 so hali ngingakhathazeki visa ngu-5 right there is also amaqaqa on the 22nd of December siyabe silamaqaqa Gracious Driving School yabe siphathela amaqaqa eBulawayo Theatre 22nd of December. Make sure you don't miss amaqaqa. Ubuntu night kuthiwa Music Academy. Yeah, Music Academy kumhla ka-20 December khonapha. Ama-Prague ekuseni mhla ka-20 December. Ama-PA ebusuku mhla ka-20 December. 3 events, 1 day. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be nice. Awusoze uswele okuyi-1 othi nizadlula kikho. Mina personally ekuseni yabe nguma-Prague ngigqoke i-overalls yami kanjengalesi ngihambe endlini yejinja ngigqoke amabheju ngidlule mbona ubuntu night maybe ngibukele 3 or 4 acts ngibe sengigqoke isudu yami edulayo enyabe ngiyithenge cash linani labe limphila imali yakhona eze nomini bese ngisiya kuma-BAA ngala nti so ama-events akhona. I also have our very own, like thina sasile kasi to kasi, ngapi kasi to kasi.
Nice,
Yeah. Kasi to kasi tour. So our previous kasi to kasi tour, our winner, Ricky Ice, has officially launched his album, courtesy of Dep 3 Events. Ya rekodwa khona, ya master khona, ya riyeswa khona, ya phekwa khona, ya bamnandi khona. And trust me, when you're going to listen to this album, awuzozuvuma ukuthi i-album yakhe yokuqala. Ama-link e-album sengiwafaka kade siku-screen ukwenza ukuthi ngingakutshela manga. Let's go and stream the album. Asifoneni phela and sithenge i-album simsupport umfana wawina ikasi to kasi wathola i-opportunity yokurekhoda. Now it's time to take that talent to the next level. Layo siyamfaka ku-sitting room yakhe very soon akwanisa uku-engage lama-fans akhe. Vele it's going to be sitting room after sitting room. Mawule sitting room enkulu contact us siyawadinga ama-sitting room.
Akudingakali promoter, akudingakali Nexus.
Vele akudingakali lutho sifuna i-sitting room kuphela.
Nexus ayikho khona.
Hayi sifuna i-sitting room. So mawule room elingani lilamasofa shapshap isitulo i-Dep 3 yasinike ezinye so-January vele lamabhana bayasinika i-Okuhle Designs yasenzela i-poster vele ngeprice ephansi so-January. So these are the events and lamanye maybe ngiyabe ngiwakhohliwe because ngiwumuntu wenyama, but for these and more I think asifolloweni ama-page ama-artist, asifolloweni ama-handles ama-artist sibe kwazi ukuthi what's happening. Then kulala abani abathanda ukuposta abangekho ku-ground. Well done, keep it up.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Leslie, behave.
Yeah, all right.
And keep our correct.
That's
Thank you so
right.
much for tuning in. Siyabonga emaphethelweni our episode yethu enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Dep 3 Events. Dep 3 Events company ebona nge-events management and planning, media management. So sikhulumile ke ukuthi if you are hosting an event and you need ama-services anjenge-stage hire, anjenge-PA system, anjenge-sound engineering, anjengama-special effects, ama-fog machines, smoke machines, you can get in touch with Dep 3 Events. If you need a studio hire, labana ba recording music, if you need a rehearsal space, just get in touch with Dep 3 Events. Also, if you need a videography and photography, siyabuya kade siyangena ku-December, sifuna ama-photoshoot awe-Christmas. So, i-Dep 3 Events ilakho khonapho ukuthi ukuphathise njalo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for being a part of Dep 3 Events. You guys have been with us since siqalisa, silokhe sihamba ndawonye. Siyabonga kakhulu and we really appreciate konke elisenzela khona. Sibonge ama-comments siyabona aqhubeke siyaphambili. Please comment futhi sisiyaphambili. Comment about today's topics esikukhulumileyo namhla, lisitshele ukuthi licabangani. And also don't forget to subscribe. Follow iDeb3 events across all social media platforms and follow us Tina. I'm a host Nonduduzo Ncube across all social media platforms. General Leslie across all social media platforms. With General, especially TikTok yake. Yay! Siyabuya. If you are not following uGeneral Leslie ku TikTok, angwazi zindaba zakho. Utshela uNicha uyakhutha. Just follow him. I don't want to spoil spoiler. I don't want to do spoilers. Just go and check the TikTok page yakhe and you are going to be entertained. Thank you so much for tuning in. Silibone njalo kuviki elizayo.
Yeah, silibona kuviki elizayo kasokusele nje isikhathi esincane ukuthi ngiyethatha ama-hour dam. That is exactly it has been a beautiful day at Enkundleni exclusive okwakaresi salibona singalikhangela.
Wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esekudwini